Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I would like to talk about microwave ovens. So, have you ever think about how microwave was discovered and how microwave oven works actually? Next slide.
Firstly, in fact, microwaves are high-frequency electromagnetic waves. In 1945, the American engineer Percy Spencer was working on the construction of magnetrons. One day, while working, he realized that the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. How microwave oven works? There is a microwave generator called a magnetron. When we start heating the food, the magnetron takes electricity from the power outlet and converts it into high power, 12 cm radio waves. The magnetron blasts these waves into the food compartment through a channel called a waveguide. The food sits on turntable, spinning slowly round so the microwaves heat it evenly. The microwaves bounce back and forth off the reflective metal walls of the food compartment. When the microwaves reach the food, they don't simply bounce off. As they travel through it, they make the molecules inside it vibrate more quickly. Vibrating molecules have heat, so the faster the molecules vibrate, the hotter the food becomes. Thus, the microwave passes their energy onto the molecules in the food, rapidly heating it up. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.